Good evening, this is Eric Kolodny with the Thursday, July 30th Epiphany Trading Markets Wrap-Up. The Dow today finished ahead 84 points, closing at a new trend high, 91.54. The NASDAQ closed up 17 points at 1984. Markets were very, very strong, shaking off the last 3 days of weakness, despite all the turmoil in commodities and in the overseas markets. The one thing that was kind of note today is that even though we did finish up significantly, they were only about half the pace of the gains we were early in the day. There was a late day sell-off. Of note were that a couple of companies, for instance, First Solar after hours, are selling off now on good news that could indicate somewhat of a near-term trend change. It's just something to monitor. For the day tomorrow, it's probably going to be somewhat choppy. Again, the overall trend is higher, the immediate-term trend is lower. So you put that together, especially on a Friday in Manhattan, and you get a lot of choppiness. The action will be focused in the earnings stocks, almost as always this time of the quarter. A few things that came out with earnings after the close today. On the good side, MFE, these are all earnings, MET, MHK, NVTL, which had particularly good earnings, ABAX, GXDX, RST, BEC, SGY, BMRN, DLB, VSEA. And a few things that closed near their highs today: UTHR, MITI, PWRD, and EME. Also, the CEO of Kinder Morgan, which is symbol KMP, is on Mad Money tonight. On the negative side, LVS posted poor earnings. MGM and Wynn should move in sympathy tomorrow. Other companies with bad earnings include Disney, DIS, SWN, GNW, PBI, SYNA, the aforementioned First Solar, FSLR, which actually had decent earnings, but the stock, after trading up 15 or 16 points, was actually down as of this call. GPRO, GPRO, PKI, YRCW, IM, GERN, VPRT, DNP, MPWR, BEZ, and BOOM, BOOM. A few other things to keep an eye on. AIQ closed on a low today. ARIA is down after it revised its development deal with Merck. Visa and MasterCard both had island reversals. MCO closed near a recent trend low. And AN was in the sell block tonight at Mad Money. A few things to look at in the morning, as today was the climax of earnings season, but it'll still be somewhat busy as the next couple weeks progress before we hit the dead of August. For the morning, AGN, AIV, AutoNation, symbol AN, CEG, AU, so it's worth keeping an eye on that for all the gold stocks, CVX, which is Chevron, D for Dominion, ITT, MDC, Snap-on Tools, symbol SNA, and Weyerhaeuser, WY. I wish all of you a very good night, and good luck trading in the morning.